I don't want to pull up on your regular time. Look out, man. What's up with it, man? How you doing, man? I'm trying to tell these people on TikTok to come on over here to my YouTube channel and subscribe. You could tell them for me.
Yeah. Give me your card.
Here, let me.
Yeah,
I got an extra card. Let me get this extra card for you. Where is it at? Oh, there you go, right there. I got it. Let me see. Look at here.
The Lookout channel.
Yeah, get you one of them, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how it look when you be. That's how you be looking when you get a card.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's how you be looking, y'all. Hey, y'all, check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. We got my boy in this CTSV. You ready? You finna do something or what, man? I see you got a Holly shirt on. What you got?
I got a Fox body I'm building right now, man.
Oh, yeah? I got one, too.
Yeah, I see yours, bro.
You gonna do something with it?
My Fox body?
Yeah, with mine.
Oh, shit, when I'm finished with it, bro.
What you got, turbo?
Yeah.
How many? One or two?
Just one, bro.
Just one? It's big? Like 88, 78?
Yeah, it's decent.
Oh, okay, it's decent then.
Yeah.
You trying to race me when you get it done?
I'm down, bro.
Whenever what kind of transmission you running?
I'm trying to build a 6R80 for it right now.
6R80?
Yeah.
You trying to put a Ford transmission?
It's got a Ford motor in it.
What the hell? God damn. So what? You gonna be able to? You gonna go Ford motor with a turbo?
Yeah.
And me and you gonna get it on?
Yeah.
You gonna drive it to the track and you gonna trail it?
I'm gonna drive it. I look down the street, man.
You gonna have AC or no AC? No AC.
Nope.
You gonna have interior or no interior?
Basically, there's no back seats.
No back seats?
That's about it. Yeah.
Okay, you feel like you saving a lot of weight taking them up out of there?
No, but they look cleaner without them in there.
They look cleaner without the
Nobody
seat?
can sit back there anyway, so
man, I can put my little son back there, man.
There ain't even leg space back there.
Okay, ain't no leg space. So you tall enough, you gotta scoot your seat all the way back.
All the way back. I gotta drive like I'm a 6'2" man.
Nah, man, he ain't trying to do all that. Let me see, man. So when you coming out, you need about what, 3 more months, 4 more months, or 6 months?
Shit, probably like 6 months.
6 months next year?
Hey, whenever it happens, it happens.
Okay, bet. We on check. Look out.